Hello students, all are welcome to computer class. Now we will see the activity for the fifth chapter, that is Internet Electronic Mail. That is, in short, it is called email. Few things we will revise and then we will see at the actual activity how to do it. Okay. Now, email or electronic mail. Email is the most popular service of the internet. Email enables us to electronically exchange message with other internet users wherever they may be. They may be at in the same city, same building, or they may be somewhere in the other country also. Ray Tomlinson developed the first email application for the ARPANET in 1971. It was consisting of a program called uh, SNDMSG for sending mail and program called read mail for reading the mail. In 1980s, such messages were exchanged between computers in offices and universities that had been linked together. In 1990s, email had gone worldwide, and today our lives without email seems incomplete. You must be experiencing this. If you will consider email with postal mail, email is faster than a postal mail. Email would be delivered in seconds or in minute. Advantages of email. Email is extremely fast. It can receive a message in a matter of seconds after it has been sent, after it has been delivered, irrespective of the geographical location of the sender and the recipient. Email is convenient because you can send message anytime during the day. It is not like that the post office should be open, then only we can send the message, or the means working hours are this to this much only. It is not the case. You can send a message to group of people free of cost quickly and very easily. You can send documents, graphics, sound files, or any other files as an attachment. Email is very economical because you do not have to pay to send the messages. Okay, it is very cheap. How can an email travels? The computers have to be linked together so that the email messages can travel. An email message is typed by the sender on his or her computer. The message has an address so that it can be sent directly to the correct address. The message is sent to a server which is connected to the internet. The email is then sent to the router by the server. The router sends the message to the another router. Routers are connected to each other by telephone lines or cable lines. The message is sent from one router to another until it reaches the correct one. The email is finally passed by the router to the server, and the server reads the address and passes the email to the correct computer. All this we have seen earlier. How computers exchange information? You need to have a set of rules like protocol, which determines how the information is to be sent. Internet protocol IP is the most important protocol used on the internet. It specifies that the information sent between computers, servers, and routers must be broken into packets of data. Packets are the small chunks of information which are broken by the internet while sending the email message from one computer to another. Each packet contains the address of the destination computer. The messages are put back together to form the email message when this message reaches the designated computer. Okay, so the message which you are typing, you are sending, it is broken into different parts, and those each part is called a packet, and each packet, whenever it is sending, computer is sending, it is having the address of the receiver's computer, and at the end of the router where is the address, at that position the router collects all the packets, and it forms the message properly, and then the user can read the message. What are the email etiquettes? Means while mailing some letter to anyone, while doing the email, what different things we should keep in mind? While sending a message through email, we must follow a certain etiquette Some of them are stated below. Your message should have a subject line that conveys its content clearly. The email message should not be in capital letters. This is equivalent to shouting. You should use smileys for funny comments and abbreviations and acronyms for phrases. Please take care of that you write in an email message. Open only those emails attachments that can be from the trusted sources. Do not click on web links sent by someone you do not know. If you use a public computer for email, be certain to sign out. If you suspect an email is spam, do not respond, just delete it. Okay, these are the some things when all of you have to keep in mind while mailing the letters, or when you are doing email, or when you are receiving letters while opening the mails. Now we will see the activity which is given on page number 70. Okay, this activity you are supposed to do. You have to send a mail giving details of all this, and you have to attach a file, word file. In word file, first you have to prepare a word file for that. So we will see the steps how to proceed. Process of sending an attachment. In MS Word, create a notice of printing competition and save it on the desktop. See here, you have to make a Word file, and in that you have to do all this things in the Word file. You have to make this Word file ready. Then run an email program on your computer. Run here. Here I'm typing Gmail. I'm opening internet Google Chrome, and there I'm typing Gmail sign in. So I'm getting different sites. Out of that I'm clicking on sign in. After that uh, I'm giving my details. So the Gmail account, my Gmail account will get opened. Locate and then click on the button to compose a new mail message. Here this is a compose button, compose icon. I'm clicking on this. So I will get another screen where I can give the address of the person who is going to receive the mail. Here type the recipient email address in the to text box. If you are sending the mail message to multiple recipients, separate each email address with a semicolon. Here I have to write against the word to, I have to write here the email address to whom I am going to send it. And if I want to send it to multiple persons, I have to give semicolon in between to separate it out. Okay. Now after that, if you would like to send a carbon copy of the email message to one or more people, type their email address in the CC text box. Here CC is there. Here you have to write the address of the person to whom you want to send a copy of it. Okay. After that, to send a copy of email message to someone while hiding his/her email address from the other recipient, enter his/her name, email address in the BCC text box. Okay. So whenever you want to hide somebody's name, but you want to send it to them. So BCC stands for blind carbon copy. You can take the help of BCC if you want to send the same message to several people, but without disclosing their names. So it is blind carbon copy. Okay, after that, now enter a descriptive subject in the subject text box. In the subject text box, here we are writing painting competition, as if whatever is given in the assignment, in the activity, we are following the same thing. So here it is given for subject, we have to write painting competition, that I have written. Now next is that type the body text of the email in the appropriate area and check the spelling. Here we have to write the text for the mail. Click on attach files button. The open dialog box appears. Navigate the file you have created and save on the desktop. Here, see, here attach, here we have typed the letter. Here attach button is there. Click on that. Then it will show you the files. From that you can pick up the particular file which you want. See, like this. Click the file you want to attach and then click on open. email program attaches the file to the message. Whichever file we want to select, whichever click the folders in that flow folder. Suppose any other folder is there in that folder. Suppose your file is there, open that and click on open. After selecting the particular file, click on open, so that file will get attached to your mail, and then we can send it. Click on the send button, which sends the email message to everyone listed in the to CC box and BCC text box. To whomsoever you have written the address, it will go, and the carbon copy also, and the blind carbon copy also will go. Okay, so but you have to click on the send button. Send button is here, and you will get a prompt message that message has been sent. So you can confirm with that message has delivered to the person specified. Okay, like this we have tried to complete the activity. Whenever you will see this video, after this video you try to do this activity on your own, but before starting, before opening the email, you prepare the word file which is shown here in your on the, and save it on the desktop, and then only you can attach that file to your mail. So before doing opening the Google Chrome and doing sign in and all, opening compose box, before that you prepare the word file, keep it ready on the desktop, and then send the mail attaching this particular file. I hope all of you have understood how to do the activity, and whenever you will get this video, go through it properly. Otherwise, along with this video only, you try to do the try to complete your activity. Okay, then bye. See you.